Good morning, we are here, and today we are also talking about energy and how to manage it better, and possibly methods that we can adopt to save energy. As you know, we deal with what I call second level energy. In fact, it could already be a third level energy. In any case, we do not deal with energy production. We focus on how energy is converted and used, specifically how heat is transmitted to thermal processes and harnessed for various applications. As part of our activities aimed at temperature control in industrial processes, energy is used to drive pump motors, refrigeration compressors, fan motors, heating resistors, and in the case of heating units or heat exchangers for diathermic oil or pressurized water, it plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal operating conditions. I had been contemplating for a long time about solutions that would enable the management of energy and equipment efficiency. Presently, we are increasingly hearing about Industry 4.0, Internet of Things, IoT. In fact, it is an exceedingly fascinating concept that we have been suggesting for more than a year now for our equipment in order to acquire monitoring and thus control of the operation of the equipment that we offer to our customers and the companies that utilize our systems. I must say that it's not a system that easily achieves success, or rather, it's widely discussed. And then the implementation doesn't happen in all instances. Also, because ours are utilities, they are not productive plants. So very often, even our customers do not have this great interest in controlling or monitoring a utility. Usually, I am more focused on checking the efficiency of a production plant that, let's say, directly contributes to the profitability chain of product realization. The performance of a utility aimed at controlling the temperature, let's say, remains in the background. However, from my point of view, from our point of view at Temco, it has energy consumption, which definitely has an impact on the product costs related to energy consumption, and therefore we believe it is useful to be able to monitor it. We carry out this monitoring thanks to interfaces that are now quite commonly found, which interpret the signals that come from our control units and are transmitted over the network and recorded in the cloud in order to be able to check the efficiency and functioning of these machines. The main objective is typically to monitor the temperature, pressure, and flow levels to ensure the efficient operation of these machines. This enables the monitoring of their usage and the implementation of predictive or preventive maintenance measures. Additionally, if customers report any operational abnormalities, it allows for a clear understanding of the situation and the ability to intervene with knowledge. It also enables the ability to provide instructions to customers on necessary actions or interventions and potentially restore the system's operation and efficiency independently. We typically monitor electrical consumption. Our main interest is to observe the actual absorption of electrical current and therefore energy of this machine in different time phases, including production phases, seasonality, and the efficiency of thermal machines like evaporative coolers or dry coolers. It is also valuable to examine the functioning and electrical absorption of a temperature control unit in relation to production and evaluate the thermal loads it generates. This has an interesting effect because it allows us to actually understand what energy is being consumed, what are the peak moments of energy consumption, and above all, where we can make interventions to optimize the machine's design, and suggest to the customer the most suitable power to install in order to save on the initial investment, and even more so when the machine is operated, thereby maximizing cost savings. In this way, for example, this data is useful to us in order to evaluate whether it is really worth inserting inverters, inserting thyristors, inserting modulating power control systems. Your opinion? Is it an intriguing speech? Greetings to all and stay safe, as we say during this period.